Hello again. Welcome to yet another tutorial of the Berkeley Publisher. This time, we'll be talking about the topic of datasets. First of all, what exactly is a dataset? Simply put, a dataset is a collection of information or data which you can specifically select and use, in and outside of the Berkeley Publisher. Datasets allow you to sort, manipulate, and present data in many different ways. The structure of a dataset is defined by the graph or subgraph on which the dataset is based. Thus, in a way, a dataset is very similar to a table within a database. Being able to make use of datasets increases the number of possibilities within the Berkeley Publisher even more. Let's start with a simple example of how to use a dataset. This model asks the user to put in his or her name, birthday, and salary. This is done in a separate subgraph, named example. With the use of two functions, now and age, we can also calculate the user's age. The model also includes a counter to loop the example subgraph. In this node, I will add a calculation named ds_person. This is the calculation I'm going to use to make the dataset. For this calculation, I'm going to make use of a function that has not been mentioned before. The function we are using in this calculation is graph_to_dataset. As implied by its title, this function converts a chosen graph to a dataset. Thus, we insert the function into the calculation with example as the chosen graph. If we now save the model, run it and insert some data, we can inspect the dataset. Move to the File window in the runner and select the Data Inspector, or simply press F11. In this window, you can view all the data that was inserted into your application. The top window shows all the variables in the selected node, whilst the lower window shows the source code belonging to that node. Double-clicking the ds_person variable opens up the created dataset. In the tree window, you can unfold all the data inserted into this part of the application. So, all in all, why is a dataset so useful? Because it allows you to sort input of the application in any way you want. You can now make selections of a specific criterion you are looking for. In this case, this can either be all the salaries of your employees or all the birthdays, whatever you decide to pick. And that's the end of this quick video on datasets. Continue to the next video to learn about a more advanced trick of the Berkeley Publisher,